If you already have an account, simply log in. You can also select Remember Me for convenience. Once you're inside the platform, you'll see a list of websites you can edit. Let's start by exploring some of the customization options. For instance, you can easily change the font style here. We offer a range of fonts to choose from. You can also pick a font from Google, or you can even upload your own custom fonts. Customization doesn't stop there. You can adjust text color, brightness, and of course the text title itself. Fine-tune your design with options like font size, line height, and letter spacing. Want to modify images? No problem. Click on an image, navigate to Properties, and select Change. You can also resize images to fit your design, making them larger or smaller. For added convenience, you can group elements together. Just select all the elements you want to group, and when you move one, they'll all move together. This makes organizing your design a breeze. And there you have it. This will be our first section in the project.